This month we have a DIY sketchbook for the teens. Inside of your kit, you should have a container with original tacky glue, a flathead paintbrush, and 2 large clips. You should also have a colorful cover page, 50 sheets of paper, and a sheet of cardstock paper. Now you can either make this into a sketchbook or a notepad depending on where you glue it. If you glue it up top, it will become a notepad. And then if you glue it on the side, it's a sketchbook. The first thing you'll need to do is tap down your sketchbook or notepad. You want to make sure that all the pages are flush against one side. You want to take one large binder clip and clip the stack of pages. You can choose to clip it horizontally or vertically depending on whether you want a sketchbook or a notepad. Make sure that you get all the edges as flush as possible. Now with your glue, you want to dab a little bit of glue into your paintbrush and paint it on all of the exposed edges. And if your paintbrush starts to frail a little bit, just remove that bristle and you should be a-okay. So just remove it out of the way and keep on painting the glue onto the spine of your sketchbook or notepad. You want to make sure that you're using a minimal amount of glue. You don't want a lot of glue, but you want just a little bit, enough to cover all of the spine of your sketchbook or notepad. And now what you want to do is let it dry for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes are over, you're going to remove the binder clips and put glue all over the spine. You can re-add the binder clips in this step if you like, and then just wait another 20 minutes until it's dry. After 20 more minutes have passed, you'll want to reapply glue again and then wait another 20 minutes. So like this, you'll be applying glue and waiting for it to dry every 20 minutes. I normally do this for about 3 times, but you can reapply glue as much as you want, but 3 times should be enough for it to work perfectly. Then after you're done applying glue, you want to let the book sit undisturbed for 24 hours. And then as you can see from my other sketchbook that I made, the spine should hold steady and you should be able to draw anything you want or write anything you want on your new book. And it should not fall apart because this glue is very, very sticky, I suppose. This glue is very good at keeping it all unified and together. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining us today. Take care. Bye.